What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? This is Tony Blackmon here, your Director of Operations with Paramount Property Investments. And I'm going to expound upon mechanics liens. I've been talking about it in my last few videos. I just wanted to kind of hammer home an important point regarding mechanics liens. The thing about mechanics liens is, for those of you who don't know, a mechanics lien is when a contractor does work on the property and the seller that owns the property does not pay that contractor for the work. What can happen is that contractor can actually place a lien or a judgment against that house. So if, seller Joe doesn't pay contractor Bob for a $5,000 job, a renovation in the home, contractor Bob can actually place a judgment of $5,000 on that property. And a lot of people don't know that if that judgment is not paid, that judgment sticks with the house, and whoever buys that house, they can potentially end up being stuck with that $5,000 judgment against that home. So it's very important, if you're a buyer and you see, renovation work has been done on the property, make sure you always get a survey to verify that, work has been done on the property. That will pop up in the survey. And get inquisitive with the owner of the property and, request to see, or request that the seller provides to the title company that, are there receipts, paid invoices for labor and materials, okay? You just want to make sure that all work has been paid in full to the contractors to protect you as the buyer in the equation, because you don't want to purchase a property and have to pay a bill for something that's not even yours. And for you as a seller, it's very important that you remember, a lot of times buyers may not be using cash all the time, and most lenders won't lend your buyer the money because most lenders are not going to take a second position as far as liens against the house. A lot of times mechanics liens will take a first lien position on a home. So that's the point I wanted to kind of hammer home. If you have any other questions regarding real estate in general, buying, selling, or investing, be sure to contact me, 330-685-2220, or just visit the website, www.investparamount.com.